Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel BL Das Short and Sweet in Chemistry. Now I am going to give focus on the name of inorganic compound for class 10. Though it is written class 10, but it is also helpful for 11th and 12th also. And now here in part 4, I have given some compounds where the compounds having divalent cation and monovalent anion. Now also in part 4A, here also so many compounds are remain. That is why I want to explain other compounds having divalent cation and monovalent anion. Generally, you know, divalent cation, that is plus 2 charge, they are belong to group 2 elements in the periodic table. Now you know what are the elements in the second group in the periodic table. Magnesium, calcium, barium, strontium, radium. Magnesium, calcium, barium, radium. Strontium, barium, radium. Now these are the metals that present in second group, and here except radium, all the metals magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, these are very important to form different inorganic compounds which are necessary in our daily life and also in chemistry. So also beside this also other cations are there. They are Cu plus 2, that is called cupric, Cu plus 1, that is called cuprous, it is cupric, Zn plus 2, Fe plus 2, ferrous plus 2, ferric plus 3. Now here we require Fe plus 2, then Pb plus 2, and here Pb means lead, Fe means ferrous, Mn manganese plus 2, Ni nickel plus 2. So here monovalent anions, you can remember SCO3, that is hydrogen carbonate, HSO4 minus 1 hydrogen sulfate, HSO3 minus 1 hydrogen sulfide, NO3 minus 1 nitrate, NO2 minus 1 nitrite, OH minus 1 hydroxide, and Cl minus 1 chloride, Br minus 1 bromide, I minus 1 that is iodide, F minus 1 that is fluoride, and here MnO4, ClO4 minus 1, ClO4 minus 1 perchlorate, and here ClO3 minus 1 chlorate, and Cl3COO minus 1, that is acetate. And here MnO4 minus 1, remember, that is permanganate minus 1. When MnO4 minus 2, that is manganate, but not required here. Here only permanganate required. That is why these are the monovalent cations. You should remember where the charge is minus 1. Again see, hydrogen carbonate, hydrogen sulfate, hydrogen sulfide, and nitrate, nitrite, OH hydroxide, chloride, bromide, iodide, fluoride, permanganate, perchlorate, chlorate, then acetate. These are the acid radicals, that is monovalent anions having minus 1 charge. Example, let us start. Lead nitrate, Pb plus 2 NO3 minus 1. So what happened? PbNO3 whole 2. Similarly, manganese chloride, Mn plus 2 Cl minus 1. So 2 comes to chlorine, that is why MnCl2. Nickel hydroxide, Ni plus 2 OH minus 1, and that is 2 comes to here. This is nickel hydroxide. I hope it is clear. See again carefully what are the divalent cations. You remember, there is no problem to write any type of compounds having divalent cation and monovalent anion. And here monovalent anions are SCO3, HSO4 minus 1, and HSO3 minus 1. All see, you can see all are minus 1. And so remember here, and after that you write crosswise, that multiplication, 2 comes to here, 1 comes to here, and this is the process you will do. And now we will see other compounds, that is divalent, having divalent cations and monovalent anions, including these divalent cation and these monovalent anion. Now we'll proceed other examples. Now see calcium acetate. What is calcium acetate? Acetate you know Ca3COO minus 1 and calcium Ca plus 2 Ca3COO minus 1. That is acetate. So 2 comes to here whole Ca3COO. That is 2 whole 2. So CaCH3CO whole 2, that is the formula of calcium acetate. Lead acetate Pb plus 2 CH3COO minus 1. That is very important and practical. So 2 comes to here. So Pb CH3COO whole 2. Strontium nitrate. Strontium Sr plus 2 nitrate NO3 minus 1. So it is SrNO3 whole 2. Magnesium chloride. What is the formula of chloride? ClO3 minus 1 Mg plus 2. So MgClO3 whole 2. Now manganese nitride. Manganese, that is Mn plus 2. Nitrite. So it should be nitride. It should be NO2. It should be NO2, and here now see manganese nitrite. Nitrite means NO2 minus 1. So this should be 2. And here the formula, what is the formula? NO2 MnNO2 whole 2. That means here manganese plus 2 NO3 minus 1 MnNO2 whole 2. Lead iodide, that is also important and practical. Pb plus 2 I minus 1. So what is the answer? The compound is PbI2. Barium fluoride Ba plus 2 F minus 1. So what is the formula? BaF2. Ferrous nitrate Fe plus 2 NO3 minus 1. Ferrous plus 2 nitrate NO3 minus 1. So it should be FeNO3 whole 2. Again say calcium acetate Ca plus 2 CH3CO minus 1. So the formula CaCH3COO whole 2. Next lead acetate. This is very important. And Pb, the 2 comes to here. So the formula PbCH3COO whole 2. Similarly, strontium nitrate that comes to SrNO3 whole 2 because strontium occupies plus 2. It belongs to second group in the periodic table. Magnesium chloride. Chloride means ClO3 minus 1. So the 2 comes to here. That is magnesium chloride. And manganese nitride Mn plus 2 NO2 minus 1. That is nitride. And this is Mn NO2 whole 2. Lead iodide. Lead is plus 2, I is minus 1. So the formula very easy. PbI2. Barium fluoride. Ba plus 2 F minus 1. So it should come to BaF2. Ferrous nitrate. Fe plus 2 NO3 minus 1. So FeNO3 whole 2. I hope the compounds formed by the help of divalent cation and monovalent anion is clear, and we try to other compounds also. How can you write this type of compounds? And hope you will subscribe my channel BL Das Short and Sweet in Chemistry, and also please like and share my channel. And thanks for watching my video, that is compounds form divalent cation and monovalent anion. In coming video, I will explain divalent cation and divalent anion. What are the divalent anion we will see, and what are the divalent cation divalent cation already you know. So how they will form the compounds we will see in our coming video. Thank you again to all.